Transform your Sony A7 Iv into the ultimate webcam and elevate your video calls with stunning, professional-quality visuals. First, grab your trusty USB-C to USB-C cable and connect your Sony A7 directly to your Mac. Next, head over to the Sony Alpha support website on your Mac and download the Sony Camera Control software. Make sure you select the macOS version. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to install the software. It's a straightforward process. Now, power on your A7. Navigate through the camera's menu to the setup section. Find the USB connection setting and ensure it's set to PC streaming or remote computer connection. The exact wording might vary slightly by firmware version, but you're looking for the option that enables data transfer for live viewing. Open the Sony Camera Control software on your Mac. You should see your A7 recognize and connected. Finally, open your preferred video conferencing application like Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet, and in the video settings, select your Sony A7 Iv as the camera source. And just like that, you're ready to impress with incredibly sharp and detailed video. Enjoy your professional-grade webcam experience.